Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel AgriWizard VAU. Today we come up with a video on IFCO where I will discuss about the history, vision, objective, products, function, global presence and many more information which is necessary for interview point of view. Also, many times 2 to 3 questions have been asked in pre and mains that are related to IFCO. So watch this video till end and grab that 2 to 3 marks and also get the information that will be beneficial for interview. So let's begin the video. So IFCO, it stands for Indian Farmer Fertilizer Cooperative Limited. As the name suggests, it is a multi-state cooperative society engaged in the business of manufacturing and marketing of fertilizer headquartered in New Delhi, India. So if we talk about the content that will be discussed in this video are introduction, history, about IFCO, vision and mission, objective, IFCO values, global presence and plants in India, products, award and milestones, governance, fee termination and hierarchy, function and power, economic activity, e-procurement, communication and technology, IFCO diversification, CSR and conclusion. Introduction. Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited was registered on November 3, 1967 as a multi-unit cooperative society. On the enhancement of the Multi-State Cooperative Society Act 1984 and 2002, the society is deemed to be registered as a multi-state cooperative society. The society is primarily engaged in production and distribution of fertilizers. The bylaw of the society provide a broad framework for the activities of IFCO as a cooperative society. The number of cooperative society associated with IFCO have risen from 57 in 1963 to 35,282 at present. During the mid-60s, the cooperative sector in India was responsible for distribution of 70% of fertilizer consumed in the country. The sector had adequate infrastructure to distribute fertilizer but had no production facilities of its own and hence depend on public-private sector for supplies. To overcome this lacuna and to bridge the demand-supply was conceived to specially cater to the requirement of farmers. It was a unique venture in which the farmers of the country, through their own cooperative society, created this new institution to safeguard their interests. About IFCO. It is a multi-state cooperative society incorporated on November 3, 1967, largest producer and marketer of fertilizer in India, having an installed capacity of more than 8 million tons. Fertilizer marketed through a pan-India network of 35,282 members cooperative societies. If we talk about the vision, to augment the incremental increase of farmer by helping them to increase their crop productivity through balanced use of energy efficient fertilizers, maintain the environmental health and to make cooperative societies economically and democratically strong for professional service to the farming community to ensure an empowered rural India. Vision of 2020. Achieving specific target for energy saving through modernization of existing plants, manufacture of new fertilizer product, setting up agro-processing unit and agrochemical projects, diversification in e-commerce and promoting venture capital project, setting up fertilizer project overseas through strategic alliance, set up a credit rating agency for cooperative societies. Mission of IFCO. IFCO mission is to enable Indian farmers to prosper through timely supply of reliable, higher quality agriculture input and service in an environmentally sustainable manner and to undertake other activities to improve their welfare. Objective of IFCO. To serve the cause of IFCO mission as stated in the mission document, extend IT-enabled service to farmer and cooperative to promote IT penetration and improve IT comfort level in rural India, to involve appropriate dissemination strategies for effective use of IT-enabled service in rural India, to extend e-service to cooperative members of IFCO and in a phased manner, to provide latest and reliable information and extend other service to all those activities involved in the development of Indian agriculture and rural development, provide necessary information and service for supplies to IFCO and achieve e-procurement in a phased manner. If we talk about the IFCO values, provide farmers with a high quality fertilizer in right time and in adequate quantity, commitment to the social responsibilities for strong social fabric, fostering cooperative movement in the country, ensure growth in core and non-core sectors, leveraging state-of-the-art green technology of production. If we talk about the plants in India, it is situated in Anola, UP, Kalol, Gujarat, Kandla, Gujarat, Phulpur, Uttar Pradesh, and Paradip, Odisha. IFCO is globally present, as you can see in the map. If we talk about Northern America, it is situated in Canada. In Southern America, it is situated in Peru. In Asian countries, it is situated in Jordan, Dubai, Oman, and also in Australia. There are wide range of IFCO products available in the market. If we talk about the primary nutrient, then IFCO urea, which has 46% nitrogen, IFCO DAP, which has 46% phosphorus and 18% nitrogen, IFCO NPK, and many more. In biofertilizer range, it has PSB formulation and azotobacter formulation. Sagarika, which is a plant growth promoter, comes in different container bottles. Also, Nano Urea, which is under the trial phase. Awards and accolades that have been achieved by IFCO are ranked number 1 in the chemical and fertilizer category in Forbes India 500, ranked number 1 in the unlisted companies category by Business Standard, Safety, Health and Environment Award from International Fertilizer Association, Most Innovative Environmental Project Award and Most Useful Environmental Project Award from CII, and Dairy Cooperative Environmental Award. Also, National Award for Prevention of Pollution from Ministry of Environment and Forestry, ICWAI Award for Excellence in Cost Management, and IBM Award membership. So, how can we get the membership of IFCO? No individual person is provided membership for IFCO. Membership is open to the following: national, state, district, regional, and primary level cooperative federation of agriculture credit, marketing, processing, supply, etc. can apply for membership of IFCO. National Cooperative Development Corporation, public finance institution to the extent required and requested by the board and general body of IFCO. If we talk about the fee and termination, it is 25 rupees for village level society and 100 rupees for other. And termination, no member is permitted to withdraw any of these shares held by it in IFCO or to resign its membership of IFCO within 5 years from the date of which it was admitted as a member. Letter of resignation to be addressed to the MD of IFCO. Decision of board communicated within a period of 4 months. Hierarchy and flow of information in IFCO. In the top, MD, under him, marketing director, and under that, zonal manager, and under that, state marketing manager, and under that, different area manager works, and in field level, field officer, one for each district. The recruitment that is done by IFCO AGT is as field officer, which is one for each district. So selected person will be given the post of field officer. If we talk about the economic activity, it has some core function, then business plan, then structure of finance, and the distribution of profit. The core function of IFCO are balanced fertilizer program, then soil testing lab that are mobile or static, Then socio-economic development of village, human health checkup and medicine distribution at regular interval. Also provide the veterinary service, drinking water supply and watershed management, assistant to school or school children. If we talk about the business plan, 5 marketing territories that include the Northern India, Southern India, Eastern India, Western India and North Central India. Distribution mainly through cooperative system, wholesaler, state level Apex Cooperative Marketing Federation, 158 IFCO Farmer Service Channel, transportation by rail which accounts for 90% of the logistics, warehousing at godowns of CWC, SWC and Federation godowns. Marketing Central Office. It has 5 zones. In North Central Zone it includes UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, Uttarakhand. In Northern Zone it includes Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. In Southern Zone it includes Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Kerala. In Western Zone Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh. In Eastern Zone it includes Assam, Odisha and West Bengal. If we talk about the structure of finance of IFCO, the source of fund are admission fee, share capitals, loans, deposits within India and abroad, debentures, bonds and commercial papers, grant in aids and donation. Here is a table that shows the number of share, its face value and to whom they are allocated. 9 lakh shares are there which has a face value of 1 lakh that are allocated to NCDC, Public Financial Institution, National, State and Regional Federation. 50,000 number of shares are having a face value 10,000 are allocated to District and Primary Marketing Processing Supply Cooperative Society. 5 lakh shares that has a face value of 1000 are allocated to primary societies of village level. Structure of finance. Every member subscribe to at least one share. Basic minimum level of utilization has to achieve to have the rights. IFCO can receive loan from members and other up to 10 times of its paid up share capital plus accumulated reserve minus losses. Value of share is paid in one lump sum or installment as per by the law. If we talk about the distribution of profit under IFCO, 25% as reserve fund, 3 to 5% as cooperative education fund, rest is distributed as a dividend of less than or equal to 20% to the shareholders, rebate on the purchase by member and building, education, charity, etc. 10% is for unforeseen losses and the payment of X criteria to employees according to the scheme of the board. E-procurement is mainly through online mode. In the portal, latest updates are given. E-procurement system of IFCO features are also given. Prerequisites for e-tendering are given. Here you can log in with the supplier code, supplier site and password that are provided by the IFCO. If we see the information and communication technology of IFCO, wide area network up to all area level offices with cooperative office at Delhi. All offices of IFCO are connected with VPN. Video conferencing facilities at maximum offices. Implemented successfully the e-procurement system. Application of integrated cooperative enterprise in HR, finance, marketing, transportation and production. Multilingual agricultural information portal and touch screen based kiosk. IFCO has multi-diversification, but there is only one aim: to empower the farmer and strengthen the cooperative voice. Fertilizer by IFCO itself, general insurance by IFCO Tokyo General Insurance, international trading by Kisan International Trading, also special economic zones, power generation, rural telephony, IFCO Kisan Sanchar Limited, IKSL, farm forestry, IFFDC and commodity exchange by NCDX, NCMSL and UCX. Cooperative social responsibilities CSR of IFCO. CSR is in the DNA of IFFCO. It's their commitment towards sustainable economic development, that is, balancing capital gain with social development. IFFCO undertakes activities in the area of community development, environmental protection, healthcare, medicinal facilities, literacy enhancement, providing service to farmers through agriculture extension and fertilizer use promotion program are an integral part of IFFCO business outlook. IFFCO spent INR 47.04 crore on various social development activities during 2010 to 11, which almost 20% of the PBT. IFFCO CSR initiatives are taken by IFFCO Tokyo General Insurance Company Limited, IFFCO Kisan Sanchar Limited that provide the calling facilities for farmer, IFFCO Mitsubishi Crop Science Private Limited, IFFCO E-Bazaar, Kisan Rural Finance Limited, IFFCO Kisan Seva Trust, IKST, Indian Farmer Forestry Development Cooperative IFFDC, Cooperative Rural Development Trust (CORDET). Conclusion: IFFCO is one of the biggest and the most popular company in India. IFFCO provides both quantity and quality product at good price for farmers. IFFCO today is a leading player in the Indian fertilizer industry and is making a sustainable contribution to the effort of Indian government to increase food grain production in the country. Hope this video is informative and has gave the general idea about the IFFCO to all. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share the video. And if this channel is new to you, then subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.